Well, hello. I'm glad you came spinning back to our video unboxing and show and tell. So today we're showing you this power bank. It's SA122. So it's got PD charge of 45 watts. It's a 15,000 mAh power bank. Let's go ahead and open this up. It does come with a 3-year warranty. That's how much they trust their products. They give you a 3-year warranty. Everything comes packaged very nice. You get a manual. Oh yeah, you guys know me. I love compact power banks. And check this out. Is this not nice or what? Oh man, I love this, guys. It's like a matte black with a digital screen. Check out the lettering in there. Even that's awesome. They designed this really nice. So you can go ahead and open this up. Do you guys know what this is? You know what this piece is for? Well, this piece is something that a lot of power bank companies don't actually supply you with. And let's show you exactly what it is. Check this out, my friends. It's a phone holder. So while you're charging your device, you can hold your phone. It's adjustable, so it depends on your thickness. As you guys see, we have a very, very thick phone case, and it still works perfectly fine with that phone case. All right, enough of that, my friends. Let's actually show you guys. So you got a flashlight on here. So for the flashlight, you double tap the power button. That brings the flashlight on. And it's actually pretty bright for just being a small little light. Double tap it to turn it off. Press the power button and it shows you how much battery life you have left in the power bank. You got your PD fast charge, PD type C charging port, and also USB charge. Let's go ahead, open up the box, see what else they provide you with. So they actually do provide you with a USB to type C charging cable, as well as a carrying case that is breathable. So just like this, you slide it nice in. It's fully breathable to help keep your power bank cool. All we do is we plug this into our USB port, plug this into your type C device. Did you guys hear that sound? So that sound means it's charging. Now as we go and look at the battery, as it goes down, it will show that it's charging. So if you guys can see now, you see it blinking. That's just the light. It's not actually blinking in person. That's just the way the light is on the camera and in our office. But 83%, and it will go down. Now it's at 82. Now the same cable that they gave you can also be used to charge this. So you just plug that into the type C charging port, and then you would plug this into any USB port you have. We're gonna go ahead and do that. All right, now that you do that, it's gonna start charging up and it's blinking. A little hard to show, but yeah, a little hard, but you see the number blinking. That means it's charging up. Overall, very nice power bank. Great for hiking and different events. Great for a backup. Just very nice to have. It's got a little weight to it, but it easily fits inside a pocket. No problems whatsoever. Even if you have a jean pocket, it would fit in. It's kind of like our cell phone. A little thicker than our cell phone with our case. Actually, our cell phone in the case is a little bigger than the power bank. Overall, very nice power bank.